Everything came out perfect as I just like I thought it would. Just one dish. That's the other pan. Put the oven off. Mm, mm, mm. This is the last pan of everything. Only thing y'all waiting on me to do is the tea. I put 1.5 cup of teas in here. 1.5 cup of sugar. This tea is light. It's not a dark tea. It's a green tea and it's light. You always pour the tea. You always pour the tea when it's hot inside the sugar. You never try to make tea with cold water or ice water. It's always hot so the sugar could melt. So I'm going to pour the tea. Prayerfully it goes well. And it went well. This is a 3-quart pot. Technically 4 quarts. I'm going to fill it up to probably halfway and let that other portion of tea continue to boil to make sure I get all of it out. And if you notice, all the sugar dissolved in hot water. There's no need for me to do anything else. You can stir it a little bit, but it's not even necessary. It's not necessary because the tea's already melted. You can get a little swish around. Since they lost my spoon, I had a spoon in the house. This is not the one I wanted to use, but I had another spoon. With this, you can take one little swish around. And if it's not sweet enough, just add another half a cup more. I think it's perfect. If anybody need any more, then they need to add their own personal sugar in there. And then you put your lid on. Put it in the refrigerator if you want it cold or you want it hot. Just pour it up in a little hot pan. I'm going to set this off, and I want to thank anyone that decides to ever come by and look at my crazy ass video at the end. But, excuse me for my language, but I want to thank everyone that do decide to stop by for my cooking disaster of the day. But everything came out fine. I just wanted to show you the plate so you'll know that it did come out well. So that's the lamb, and this is the steak patty. This is the potatoes, the zucchini. Everything came out delicious. And there's tea. So hopefully you enjoy. Thank you for watching Rock with Carrie.